What is this? A show where I rate and review big and small Instagram artists by giving them stars and providing feedback. What is this? Whoa, what do you think of this? Is this too creepy? What's up guys? This time there are gonna be two people who will review artworks. Me, who is a professional artist, and this guy who is a noob and knows nothing about art, okay? That's why I think it will be interesting to look at his opinion and at my opinion. So the first guy that I thought would be interesting to review is called Slime Sunday, and he's actually one of my favorite artists, but he does like an erotic art. Don't get excited. For example, one of the cool things that I really like, for example, this artwork, I think it's really nice. You know, I like the idea. Что ты делаешь?
Неприятный как бы. Yeah, I think that it's not pleasant for me. Because of this juice, like it's coming from the nipples.
Okay, that's actually interesting because I saw this was genius.
Yeah, this one is okay.
This one is good, you think? So what I really like about this one again is the way he combined the body with the ice cream. It's not something that you would just think of. Like I think it's really difficult to come up with this idea. And I like the colors. I like the blue and also like the orange.
I don't understand what's happening.
Okay, you don't understand why he did this. This artwork actually went viral on Instagram. I have seen it in many different accounts. Flowers coming out of ice, I don't know why, but the concept is just so interesting.
It all looks like something crazy for me.
You like the one with the bodies better?
Yeah.
Whoa, what do you think of this? Is this too creepy?
God.
I love this artwork, but I would admit that this is creepy. No, this is the brain, and it's opening the brain.
It's like your thing is opening, right?
Next one I want to show is next one that I found. It really has nothing to do with Photoshop, but I just thought it's interesting thing to show. Like it's realistic art done in real world. She does lots of like weird stuff. For example, something like that, or something like that. I think it's real. Yeah. Yeah, she's doing something with glue. Just for one artwork. Earphones, right? You see, he got them too. Look at that.
It's real?
Yeah, but that's not like real nails. What would you do if your wife would like have eyebrows like that?
Like I will kill her or? Stupid question.
Do you know that if in the future something will happen to your wife, the police will look at this video and then they will come to you like, did you do it? This guy here, Artist Jones. Okay, I will be honest, when I started looking at his stuff, I didn't really like it because it's not my stuff. There's too much blue. I don't know, it's just too much is happening. Like, what is happening here?
It's like the man is standing in the museum and it's some artwork behind him.
I would give it actually 3 out of 10 probably.
I will be the same point.
Okay, whoa, wait, actually he has done some good stuff as well. Looks nice, I think. It's much better than his previous stuff.
Yeah, it's like 6 points of 10.
6?
Yeah, maybe 7.
Next one is Indigo. First I saw it's a girl because she has like a profile picture of a girl. But then on one of the posts I saw someone calling her bro, and then she also responded with bro, so I thought okay, it's probably a guy, I don't know. Do girls use bro?
He or she is Russian, I think. It's like Masha.
Where's Masha?
Some poet.
Who is Masha?
Some
Who
poet,
is...
I guess. Yeah, it's dog.
Let's just look just an overall fit of what she does. And I have to say, first of all, does her artworks look beautiful? Yes, they do. And now second question, are they interesting to look at? I'm not sure about that one. Why? If you look at her artworks, she uses the same thing everywhere. Moon, like skies. You know, she's using it with skies, moon, skies, moon, skies, moon. Every time is the same thing.
Yeah, they're really beautiful, but if I will see it like every day, every post will be about the clouds. Like yeah, maybe it will be like boring for me. For now, like for the first time, it's really beautiful.
It's like
this one. Can you show it? Really awesome, I think.
I think this looks beautiful. Here, as you can see, the idea is a little bit different. He has some kind of like circle around his head. It looks interesting. I mean, people seem to like it because I remember when I saw her first time a year ago, she had only 70,000 followers. And now she has like 600,000, 500,000 followers in 1 year. That's a lot.
Maybe she's beautiful.
But she doesn't show her face. Like, that doesn't make sense. This has gone so viral. I have seen this so many times on so many different pages.
Yeah, I also like it. It's really art.
It's really art. That's all you can say.
I mean, it's beautiful. Some girl is crying.
Next guy that I found is called 88 Visuals. So
Yeah, I know him.
how do you know him?
Yeah, in the explore pages.
He has like best 9 of 2019. So what do you think of this artwork? Okay, nothing interesting.
nothing
Yeah,
interesting.
maybe this one got lots of likes because it has something to do with Joker, and when the movie was coming out it was popular, that's why.
Yeah, this one is more interesting, I think.
So it's more interesting, but I also don't like, I don't know, I just don't like it because of the colors maybe, probably.
I actually like it. It looks like it's zombies behind him, and
Yeah.
they are like eating him.
Yeah, but I think that here, if you look closer, I just checked if I was recording. I saw that I didn't click start recording, and then I would just kill myself and him too. The hands, they don't really look like they match the scene. Like they look like they are not from the same image. Like it's not blue enough for, because everything else is like blue here, and the hands are like gray.
For me, it's okay. For me, it looks like realistic.
I mean, sometimes he does some interesting stuff, but at the same time, I don't know, this shot here, I have seen like thousands and thousands of this come.
The one here is like
This one?
It's
Yeah.
so cute.
This is also not related to Photoshop, but when I saw this, I was like, what? Does this remind you of something?
It's like something what's
Yes, exactly. I was like, what are you doing, lady?
this one.
Are you crazy? And she is like, yes, I am crazy. So she's taking like soft things and she's putting them together so that they look crazy. Or this one, like look at that, she's so happy near this thing. I'm like, what? Okay, this guy, Hubert Solzinski.
It's from Poland, I see.
Yeah, I think so too. All the effed up, okay, not effed up, but the family names that are really difficult to read, they are from Poland. So first of all, I don't like these things. For example, here, it's too much happening again, it's too complicated.
Yeah, actually, it's good, I think.
You like it?
Yeah, it's interesting. Like, you can see like everything what's happening here. Is it Voldemort?
It doesn't look like he has like nails on his face. I don't know who is. How much would you give it from 1 to 10?
10.
Really?
Yeah, really.
10?
Yeah, for me it's like really interesting.
Yeah, but I wouldn't give it 10. Maybe 7. Okay, shut up. Okay, you can leave now. Actually, this is not bad. The colors are good.
Yeah, it's boring and it's too dark.
That's the thing, you know, people who are like really artistic, they care about the emotions more. The girl is in drama, she's like put hands on the face and it's like she's crying. But for him, he is like, oh, I don't care about her. This?
It's like really crazy.
We know that it's crazy, but do you like it or not? That's the question.
What the hell is happening here?
I don't know.
Maybe I like it. If you're on drugs also, guys.
If you're on drugs, you will like anything, okay? Well, anyway, he also does cats. I don't like cats, so...
I like it.
You like cats? Who are you lying? You just told me you hate animals. Guys, just remember that if you want to learn Photoshop and create stunning artworks, make sure to go to learnfromfred.com and get access to all of my classes for free for a whole month. This stuff, this, everything. Okay, just click start for free. Bam. So guys, me and my brother, we created a new channel called Farid Does Stories, where we'll be posting some really unique and interesting stories like this one. That time I ate the moon. It's a new channel and we'll be doing there some really crazy stuff. So next videos we'll burn our face, not really, but kinda. I know it sounds crazy, but trust me, it's safe. Yeah. Okay, we will burn my face. We will burn my face. Okay, and don't worry, it's not dangerous. But
It is.
no, it's not. You told me it's not. So anyway, just make sure to subscribe. Okay, guys. That was it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you didn't, then please jump out of the window. Okay, don't do it, okay? Please don't.